Imagine stepping off a ferry and hearing nothing but the gentle lapping of waves, the chirping of birds, and the soft clip-clop of horse hooves. No honking horns. No revving engines. Just peace and quiet. In a world obsessed with speed, these islands have chosen tranquility over traffic. Join us as we explore 5 magical places where cars are banned, and life moves at a slower, more peaceful pace. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a unique corner of the travel world, places where cars are completely banned. These islands offer a rare chance to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with a simpler, more serene way of living. From charming Greek hideaways to remote Channel Islands, these destinations are a haven for those seeking tranquility. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating travel stories. 1. Hydra, Greece. First on our list is Hydra, a stunning island in Greece. Located just 2 hours by ferry from Athens, Hydra is a car-free paradise. Here, donkeys are the primary mode of transportation, alongside walking and water taxis. Hydra's cobblestone streets are lined with traditional stone houses, quaint cafes, and artisan shops. Without cars, the island retains an old-world charm that feels like stepping back in time. The absence of vehicles also ensures that the air is clean and the environment pristine, making it a favorite destination for eco-conscious travelers. Visitors can explore Hydra town, hike scenic trails with breathtaking views of the Saronic Gulf, or relax by the crystal-clear waters. With its slow pace and stunning beauty, Hydra offers a perfect retreat from the chaos of modern life. 2. Sark, Channel Islands. Next, we travel to Sark, part of the Channel Islands between England and France. Sark is famously known as one of the last remaining feudal states in the world, and cars have never been allowed here. Instead, locals and visitors rely on bicycles, tractors, and horse-drawn carriages. This tiny island, only 3 miles long and 1 mile wide, is a haven for nature lovers. Its rugged cliffs, lush meadows, and dramatic coastlines make it a paradise for hikers and photographers. Sark is also a designated dark sky island, offering some of the clearest stargazing opportunities in Europe. Without the noise and pollution of cars, Sark provides a peaceful, unspoiled environment that feels like a world away from the mainland. 3. Lamu Island, Kenya. Now let's journey to the east coast of Africa, to Lamu Island in Kenya. Lamu is the oldest continually inhabited town in Kenya, and its rich Swahili culture is evident in every corner. Cars are not allowed on the island, so transportation is limited to donkeys, bicycles, and traditional wooden dhows. Walking through the narrow alleyways of Lamu Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, you'll be enchanted by the beautifully preserved architecture, vibrant markets, and friendly locals. Lamu's car-free lifestyle is not just a quirk, it's a vital part of its charm. The absence of vehicles preserves the island's unique cultural heritage and fosters a slower pace of life that visitors can't help but fall in love with. 4. Mackinac Island. Heading to North America, we find Mackinac Island in Michigan. This island has banned cars since 1898, and life here revolves around bicycles and horse-drawn carriages. Mackinac Island is famous for its Victorian charm, with historic homes, grand hotels, and picturesque gardens. The island's main attraction is its natural beauty. Visitors can explore Mackinac Island State Park, which covers 80% of the island and features wooded trails, stunning cliffs, and breathtaking views of Lake Huron. Without cars, Mackinac Island offers a peaceful retreat where the sounds of nature take center stage. It's a place to slow down, savor the moment, and experience a bygone era. 5. La Digue, Seychelles. Finally, we head to the Indian Ocean, to La Digue in the Seychelles. This small island is a tropical paradise where cars are almost entirely absent. Instead, visitors get around by bicycle, ox carts, or on foot. La Digue is known for its stunning beaches, particularly on Source d'Argent, which is often ranked among the most beautiful beaches in the world. The island's lush interior is home to unique wildlife, including the rare Seychelles paradise flycatcher. The car-free lifestyle on La Digue ensures that the island remains unspoiled and tranquil, making it a perfect destination for those seeking a slice of paradise far from the stresses of modern life. And there you have it, 5 incredible islands where life moves at a slower, more peaceful pace. These destinations remind us that sometimes, less is more. By saying no to cars, these islands have preserved their charm, their environment, and their unique way of life. If you're dreaming of a getaway where you can truly unwind and reconnect with nature, any of these islands would make a perfect choice. Which one would you like to visit first? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration and fascinating stories from around the globe. See you in the next adventure.